crazy out here. Man, it's crazy out here. Crazy out here. Lord, oh Lord. Oh God. That was tearing my ass up. Hey. Hey. These elements is colder than a motherfucker. Snowstorming. Let's go. Oh shit. Hey, I'm gonna tell you right now, I was getting my ass whooped by them elements. I'm in a church right now, but oh my goodness. Man, my hands were so cold. Like I felt like I was getting frostbite. I only had my hands out for a little bit, but oh my God, it was wild. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Just in this church. It's a nice church. Churches are normally pretty nice. Yeah, it's not much else. I don't know if me standing at a church is gonna do too much. But that is nice up there though. I will say that. And these columns. You gotta take for real ass treks out here just to get to a museum. Look at these conditions, man. This is fucking crazy. I'm trying to get to a museum and they don't got no paved road. Oh, there's the road. I ain't never been in snow before, so this shit, I have time of my life right now. I have never been in snow, so this is pretty fucking dope. This is pretty dope. And it is snow, motherfucker. Finally out of the elements. Man, it is a snowstorm outside. I didn't know I was gonna get that. So yeah, this is what the museum is. And yeah. Do work over here, but man. Oh yeah. You're good. The elements are crazy. Yeah, doctor. All these birds. Okay, I'm in an ice cave at the museum right now. They give you the full experience. It's minus 10 in here and this type stuff. Fascinating. Yeah, I don't think this is an exhibit. Oh, look, your boy's on the throne right here. Game of Thrones right here. Look at your boy. Cover that cough up, lady. These little things where you could kind of just put like messages. So that's pretty cool. I already put my message, put it in the video. That's pretty cool, man. Look at this. Not sure if the video is doing it justice, how crazy these winds are and this little snowstorm is, but man, it's real out here. Blue is my favorite color, and that blue light is hitting pretty nice. Pretty nice, dog. This isn't the real Northern Lights. This is just inside of a show. Hopefully I do get to see the real thing. And it's like this. As you can see, hey, it's cold as shit out here. Cold as shit. So this is Fisherman's Favorite, which is like, I guess, fisherman stew, a whole bunch of different type of fish that is an Icelandic thing. We're about to see, kind of looks like eggs, to be honest with you, but we'll see. And then I got that Einstock white ale pale, or white ale, whatever. And this is chocolate from the Perlan Museum. So that's the dinner. It is hard to describe, to be honest with you. But this kind of tastes like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like a dry sweetbread. It's a very strange but good taste. I don't know how to describe that. And this, it tastes like fish, random fish in there, potatoes, eggs. I don't know. It's almost like an omelet. It's a very strange, this is a strange meal, but it is good. So it's hard to explain. All right, so this is breakfast for Monday. Got some jam, got some quiche, got some salami, got some avocado, got a hard-boiled egg. I mixed grapefruit juice and orange juice, some pineapple, a little pastry, ginger shot. Oh, I need to get some sparkling water. Ooh, hey, kind of tired. I didn't sleep long enough. I wish I could have. Took a long time for me to get to sleep. Had some trouble sleeping, entry and all. But I'm ready. I'm going on the Blue Lagoon this morning. I'm going on the Golden Circle tour, so it's going diggity down, dog. That quiche was good. Excuse me, the avocado was good. Good breakfast again, just to let you know this breakfast, because breakfast you probably spend about $40 minimum. Regular around here probably $60, so this is $60 of saving every single morning, because that's how expensive it is here in Reykjavik. So it's about a $60 breakfast every morning, that's included, so thank goodness. Man, alright, so I'm out here waiting to get picked up for the Blue Lagoon and the Golden Circle tour. Just out here, this is what I'm looking at. My van. It's cold. I think it's like 32 degrees right now. Yeah, so just waiting. It's kind of late. It should be here by 9 o'clock, but they did say by 9:30. So we'll see what happens. And block. Alright, I've made my way on the bus. It's 9:13. It's 0 degrees Celsius, and I guess this is gonna be how it is. The leg room ain't great. I hope nobody vantage pointed the seat and my legs and stuff. So I'm hoping I got this where I got the whole like situation, because I'm not trying to have somebody cram me up and be big or whatever like that. So I'm hoping this ticket was for, you know, my spot.
Ocean bed of our planet. Iceland is a kind of elevation on the ocean bed. And it's one of the most fluid levels. Fluidity of these, on average, on a month, we have rain or precipitation, and usually. 1784, a volcano erupted. Actually, volcanic fissure erupted for half a year.
Fist bump. Have a good day.
You too. Funny man. This is we're at our first stop. Thing Fest. I'm about to check it out a little bit. We're here for 45 minutes. He wasn't lying when he said it's a tundra out here. It's for real out here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put that beanie on. I forgot to throw that thing on. It is a little cold out here. Photo ops gotta be quick in this. Hey, okay, there we go. Hey, ooh. Hey, it's like that when Noodle Boy was about to be on camera. Look at him. Hey, look at him. Just out here in Iceland. Hey, let's go. Just doing the thing, doing it. these little cave type things. Oh shit, wrong side. Man. Get that good side. Hey, which is the best side? Give it to me. There we go.
Hey.
Boy, I'm in here. I'm in here in the depths. In the depths. Shit is dope to see up close, man. It's fucking crazy. This is gonna be a lot of the photos because this coat is beating me out. I'm gonna have a do-rag and I'm gonna have a beanie on for the rest of the trip because man, it's chilly. For anybody who coming out here or just in cold weather in general, the key part are the gloves. You gotta have the right gloves. And, you better have some protection because god dang it, it's cold out here.